today we're going to make banana bread into Vitamix. Alright, now we put in the sugar. Yummy. Okay, now the almond extract. Like in the donut video, it smells so good. And now, the coconut oil. Use a spoon. Now we gotta turn it on. Baking powder. Okay, now baking soda. Okay, now flour. Most important part. Now, lemon juice. Yum. This is vegan banana bread. Give it a good squeeze. A little. Shake it. We gotta bake at 350 for 45 minutes. And get a mom to help. Hey guys, this is the banana bread. Now I gotta taste if it's good or not. Yum!